Hi, today we want to take a look at what we did recently on my blog. I remember pythonprogrammingaltavista.org, and I want to change the text maker, there it is, that I recently updated a little bit. You see, this was the code, and in this text you had to answer to the questions. Then I made some changes to make it slightly better. Now I want to copy this code and make some other changes to see what we can do to make a very fast test without writing almost anything for a certain purpose. I'll let you see where it is. Now I copied my text and I want to make it here into a folder that I will call Python test maker testmaker.py. Okay, let me close some windows here in Sublime Text, and I want to show you where I was with this program here. There it is. There is a starting page with instruction about what to do, and then there are questions. Now you see here, I suggested to write true or false. In Italian, it's vero or falso. So I say, for example, true. This is vero, and you see here I get the score, and then this one is false. Let's make one wrong. Okay, and this is wrong, so I get 3. On for question, it's a score of 75%, and then I close this window. Okay, now I want to create a new text, a new test, and let me call it test maker two answers. So that are just 2 answers that are possible. So you see here I'm using this to introduce the questions. That is a list of tuples that gets 2 strings in each tuple. So I need to make a for loop of something so that I will have always this quest kind of thing, so that I don't have to change anything. And I go here and I got question here, and I got the right answer. So let me make it more easy to do it. So for cool and for question answer in, I could use tip or I could use Q and A. Okay, now let's do Q. Okay, the question can be. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna create a question with the right answer. So I'm gonna call corrector. Okay, and corrector equals something. I want a corrector, and then okay, I wanna put here. I got 2 kind of answer, true or false, or maybe I can do in economy. There are 2 kind of accounts in accountability that are the accounts that are regarding money or other instruments of paying or to make credit. We call them in Italian finanziari. So I would make this this list with this kind of account that always in Italian is denaro in cassa, that means cash. Banca, that is bank account. And then we have credits towards clients and debt towards our suppliers, and so on. This is a tax that we have to pay in Europe, and that becomes credit or debt towards our country, and other debts with the banks, and other types of debt and credits that we don't have to pay yet, but they have matured in the and that we have to add to the balance to our account at the end of the year. So these are the financial accounts. Now we have economic accounts, conti economici in Italian. Okay, I'm gonna split lines here, so to transform these multi-lines into a list. If you print F here, you will see the list. There it is. This is the list, and economic value account. It's this is for the settings. Okay, so we have to type of account into list. So now what we can do is let's make our corrector. First of all, let's let's see the how many questions we have. That is the len of f plus the len of e. So let's make this loop so that we make all our questions. Okay, now we want to let's join all our accounts. FA. So that you see here we have all the accounts here. And now we are going to shuffle them. Okay. Now we're going to show the account here and the answer. Now we have to get the right answer. And it will be always right at number n. How we do it? Let's create answer equal an empty list. Now for for q in fa, if q in f, okay. So if is in this list, answer will be equal f, else answer will be equal economic account, and that's all. So for in range and question quest, okay. Now let's print quest to see if what we got, to see if it's right. String index out of range. Okay, sorry, here. Answer.append f and append e. Okay, as you can see here, I got this, and I just have to change the VF stuff here. I got to put F or E, like the possible answers. Choose among F or E. Okay, now let's go. Okay, I gotta put here a couple of. Okay, software is economic, right? Okay, just one question. Why? Okay, and because probably we need to do quest.append this. Quest is not defined. Let's define it. Okay, credit versus credit is financial. It's financial. This is financial. Let's make it wrong. Yeah, this is economic, financial, economic, financial, economic, financial, economic, financial. Right. 19%. We just have one wrong answer, and that's all. So this is how you can do easily without having to write everything, a lot of code, a lot of answer, etc. You have two of these and two possible answers. You could make a third list and make 3 choices, but this is the basic of how you can do to make a test with just 2 answers, possible answers in a couple of seconds. Thank you.